And here's where we look at the data. To become gritty is to possess what we call as growth mindset. This is another idea developed at Stanford University by Dr. Carol Dweck, and it is the belief that the ability to learn is not fixed. Kung hindi ka magaling sa math at ayaw din sa'yo ni math, having a growth mindset is when you tell to yourself, as long as I keep on practicing those math drills, I'm still gonna be better off than someone who did not do anything at all. Pakitaas nga po ang kamay if you have met a customer na pinamukha sa'yo na parang silang may-ari ng kaluluwa mo. Have you ever met one? Have you ever met one? All the time, di ba? Several, right? That happens in life. Kung wala pa, I'm gonna tell this to you, you will meet them soon. I'm just joking. But life is like this. There will be those kinds of customers. However, having a growth mindset is when you tell to yourself, I don't feel this customer, I'm not vibing with them, but may I remind you to not easily dismiss them. Because your ultimate goal is to win the relationship. And most of the time, to win the relationship with a very difficult personality is what? So, umpisa, how do you win the relationship? What could be one question that you can ask or trigger? Most of the time, it's discovering one thing you both like. It could be a song, a movie, music, a city, food, because the moment you find out that you have one thing common with that person, usually it changes your perspective about the person. It lowers their guards. And you tell to yourself, I want to get to know this person because the better I become in managing difficult people, the better I become in managing difficult personalities, which by the way is part of our lives, which by the way is part of this industry. The same boiling water that softens the potato also hardens the egg. The same fire that melts the butter also toughens the steel. Madaming bagay sa mundo are unpredictable, but you have two options. Do you become the thermometer? Do you become the thermostat? Do you become the victim or do you become the victor? In all of your stories, dapat tayo lagi ang main character, and main characters win. Main characters are able to find ways